So it's really key for our students to be engaging with industry leaders so they get a sense of what it's like to work in these careers. And also the industry leaders tell us, where can our curriculum be enhanced or go in a different direction to be more applicable. The tactical how can take many shapes. So for us, it can be simply as, funding capstone projects. So they give us their problems for our students to build teams around and start building solutions for. They can come guest lecture to classes and give the students, a real look behind the scenes and say, this is a day in the life of a blank semiconductor engineer or a physician. So they also give us questions and projects to work on for research. So faculty members can engage all kinds of different students from different levels, undergraduates to PhD level students, to be working on these problems while they're in school, and that's very valuable. And then also companies come engage with the university to also get new ideas. How does Gen Z think about this certain process or product type? So we engage with them in so many ways. And again, like the Co-Lab, it's really about co-designing solutions that companies really appreciate from ASU.